Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to x plus 2 because we still have x. So I will put number 2 go to the left. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u, we have number 1. First derivative of x, we have number 1. This is about the constant. So you got about 0 in here. That's why we have this one. So this one we change by u. S we change by this one. The s we change by the u. So this one we have 2u minus 4. Negative number 4 plus 1 we have negative number 3. So u divided by u to the power of 2 over 3. And number 3 divided by u to the power of 2 over 3. We have like this. So this one in here, we have 1 over 3. So we have the formula. The integration of u to the power of n du, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here and here. This one we have 4 over 3. This one we have 1 over 3. About u, that is about this one. And then we simplify. 2 divided by 4 over 3. We have 3 over 2. Number 3 and number 3, we have number 9. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.